Hey there Greymanes, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock sheep in Crimson Desert. Now in case you're wondering how you can unlock the ranch in the game, if you check over to your journal right here, go over to Faction Quest, and go over to the Grounds of the Sunrise over on the Greymane quest line. If you manage to do this quest one by one, you will eventually find the Field of Abundance right here. By doing this quest, you should unlock the ranch. When opening up the ranch, the first things that you can buy from Ben right here should only just be a chicken.
I'll take care of things.
If you check over to buy livestock, as you can see right now, I have the chick, the baby goat, and the baby pig. But if you want to unlock sheep, you need to raise the trust level of a certain NPC. Over on Bloomwood Ranch, we're going to find Willian. So let me just go over there and show you. Alright, now over on Bloomwood Ranch, here's Willian right here. Alright, now just press Ctrl over to Willian right here, and then press R to gift him. Now fortunately, the first time I went here, I thought that gold bars would work on him. But then I later found out that he only takes some pouches to my knowledge. So I don't know any other item to gift him besides these copper pouches that I have on hand. So just make sure to donate all of these until his trust is all over to level 100. And this should unlock sheep over on your ranch. Alright, now back over to Ben over here on the ranch. Once I press buy livestock, as you can see right here, there's now lamb available for purchase. And that's pretty much about it on how to unlock sheep in Crimson Desert.